What up? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create dope covers for your blog utilizing Canva, even if you have no design skills. Because trust me, I got no design skills, but we're going to leverage the use of Canva to get you some dope covers so that people could click on your blogs and learn more about your content.
All right, so when it comes to creating blog covers, there's two ways of doing this. One way is just grabbing a basic normal stock image, and to be honest, that is played out. Last thing you want to do is have your blog image be shown in other sites at the exact same time because you got a stock image because you were being lazy. So now the other option is to use this tool called Canva. If you haven't heard about it, slap yourself in the face, or you must be living underneath a rock. You gotta be knowing about Canva. So the easiest way to go about Canva is I'm going to show you an example of how I get my blog post done. Now, if you know anything about me, I'm not the most design perfectionist or creative person. I like the minimalist style. So I'm going to give you an example of how I get my blog post covers done. So I'm going to go to social media covers, and I'm going to use the Chris Latham blog covers. So while this loads, if you haven't set this up yet, one thing I will share with you before I go back into showing this here is if you're creating covers for the first time, again, you want to figure out if you want to be using the square format or the rectangular format, which you can, once you figure out that format, is just kind of go into create design. If you're using rectangle, I highly recommend just typing YouTube and using YouTube thumbnail to get started. Main reason for that is depending on the category you choose in Canva, you're going to get certain templates you could choose from that are fitting to that particular need of that device. So if we're thinking of YouTube thumbnails, we want to think of covers that are catchy and will grab people's attention. So then right here, you can see on the left-hand side, I got for me because I've used quite a few different templates. And all you gotta do is just kind of scroll down, find a style you like. So to make this search quick, I'll go with music, YouTube thumbnails. And then from there, you'll see all. I'm going to scroll down, try to find what's a bit more text focused, not so much like background heavy image focus. Let's see what we got here. I'll just take this guy here for simplicity, and I'll go with that first one. Boom. Then all you really need to do is change the image, put the text you want. Now, one thing I've learned is when it comes to, this makes no sense. Let's delete that guy. When it comes to the images and the colors, you want to make sure you get your brand colors in there. When it comes to the text, put whatever font that you normally have. If you want to be quick and fast, you could just use the fonts that Canva already has set up. But let's be honest, you want to keep things branded. So make sure you have your brand colors already set up. So I'm going to go back to my blog post. So we can see here I got different examples. Like I didn't create all this. Like to be honest, I didn't put this half circle there. I didn't put that line. I just took this, put my colors on it, throw in some Bitmojis because I like Bitmojis because they're dope. And I put in my title. Same thing I did here. You do it on a couch, loving life. Simple and easy. So in this case, you can even search for templates. I like minimal styles or minimalist. I'm going to put minimal, see what pops up. It's Halloween. Yep, it's clearly Halloween. I'll grab this guy here. Boom. Then all I need to do is change the logo, change the text, put the title of the blog there, put the website down there. I could just honestly delete the other stuff. I don't want it there. Keep it as clean as I want. And it's that easy to create a blog cover for each blog post you're creating. And what you're going to want to do, I'll show you guys some organization here that I have, is you want to keep things within a theme. So if you know that, say you have a section that one of your blogs category is soccer, one of your blog categories football, and one of your blog categories hockey, you're going to want to break those down by either optimizing colors for that particular blog. So I'm going to use this example. Did I open it up recently? Let me find the example I have for Next Gen Fridays. 1 of 2. There we go. 1 of 6. Resource Center. So what I've done for this particular site is I have different categories of blogs that I'm writing, and I just created different covers for each of those categories. And this is not the page I'm looking for. 1 of 3. 1 of 2. 1 of 2. Okay, that's a little weird. I don't remember being this far down. But what I will do is just go back up and let's find, I'll just use the example that's there. So I'll pull this guy up. We got the customer research blogs. And then I got the get a brand clarity blogs. So here we could see I'm going for an orange and black theme for my main colors. Okay, so things are loading long when I try to record videos. So I'm sure if you've been watching all the other videos, you know that by now. But you can see here I got the orange, a little bit of a dark gray and white. Then I'm gonna come to this post there. Oh, this is the one I was looking for. Boom. So one blog post when it comes to online presence, they're all gonna be formatted like this. I'll change the text on that. All my blog posts around customer research, they're gonna look like this. I'm gonna just format the text and change it there. All the posts related to growth marketing. So it's an easy way for you to kind of have the same colors, the same brand font, and same brand colors going in, while keeping it on brand, but at the same time having different things. When people see one color, one format of a post, they know it's related to this particular subject. That's an easy way to stay organized and utilizing Canva to create your blog post. This video ran longer than I thought, but either way, if you're having a blast, soak up some sunshine. Actually, no. Hope you're having a blast. Soak up some sunshine. Soak up some sunshine. That's a tough sentence to say. It's a tough sentence to say. Have yourself an awesome day. Peace.